Hello everyone. Today we will discuss chapter 7 from NCERT. Chapter 7, Congruency of Triangle. Before this chapter we have done triangle and its property. In that chapter I told you what is triangle, how many types of triangle, and in this chapter we will read congruency, means how we can say, how we can done if two triangle is given and we can do congruence. Clear? Congruency means two plane figure are called congruent when and only if they have exactly the same shape and the same size, means congruency. First of all, I want to tell you meaning of congruency. Clear? Two plane figure two plane figures are called congruent. If and only if they have exactly the same shape and same size. Congruency means if two plane figures are called congruent if and only if they have exactly the same shape and same size. Example, suppose that we have taken two triangle ABC, clear? Triangle PQR, clear? If this side is 3 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, it is 5. It is also 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Means here is AB equal to PQ, clear? BC equal to QR, clear? AC equal to PR, clear? It is the congruent. Both are congruent because in this triangle, means in triangle ABC, whatever length is given of the side, that same side is given in triangle PQR. That's why both are congruent. Congruent meaning means if two plane figure is given, that is the same size and same shape, clear? Same length, that is a congruent. Note down. Criteria for congruency of triangle. 4 criteria are there. Yes means side congruency criteria. Side angle, side angle and RHS. Clear? One by one I will explain in front of you. First is yes means side congruency criteria. Clear? Side congruency criteria means in this criteria two triangles are congruent. First of all, figure I will make ABC and PQR. Clear? If two triangles are congruent, two triangles are congruent, two triangles are congruent, two triangles are congruent if the three sides of one triangle if the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three side of the other triangle. Clear? Two triangles are congruent if the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the other triangle. Clear? Other triangle means first triangle is ABC and second triangle is PQR. If both sides are equal means AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, BC equal to QR. Clear? They all are congruent. Means like this: AB equal to PQ, AC equal to PR, and BC equal to QR. Therefore, triangle ABC congruence. It is the symbol of congruence. Triangle PQR by side congruency criteria. It is a first criteria. Note down this. Second criteria, side angle side. Yes, side angle side congruency criteria. Clear? First of all, we will make triangle. It is a first triangle. Clear? Name is ABC PQR. Clear? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Side angle side means if in both triangle, if in this triangle two side and one angle is equal, that is congruence. Clear? Means if any triangle is given, in that triangle two side and one angle is equal, that is also congruence. Clear? Means if this side is this equal to this side is this, and suppose that we have taken this angle is this, means we can write two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included and the included angle of the other triangle. Clear? Means two triangle are congruent, means both triangle are congruent. How? If two sides and the included angle of one triangle, means in first triangle, and are equal to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle, means in this triangle two sides and included angle, in this triangle two sides and included angle are equal, that is a congruence. Means we can write AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, angle B equal to angle Q. Therefore, triangle ABC congruence triangle PQR by side angle side congruency criteria. Note down. Third one, ASA. ASA means angle side angle congruency criteria. Clear? Angle side angle congruency criteria. Clear? Two triangle we will make first. ABC. Clear? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Clear? Two angle and one side, means this angle is this angle is this, and this angle is this. Clear? Means we can write two triangle are congruent if two angles in before condition we have written if two sides, but here is two angle, means if two angles we will write if two angles and included, what included side are one triangle equal to two angles and included side of the other triangle. Clear? Means two triangle are congruent if two angles and included side in this triangle and two angles and one included side of the other triangle. If both are same, that is congruence. Means we can write angle B equal to angle Q, BC equal to QR, and angle C equal to angle R. Means triangle ABC congruence triangle PQR. It is a congruence. Note down this. Fourth one, RHS. RHS, right angle hypotenuse sides. Hypotenuse side congruency criteria. It was only for right angle triangle. Means two right angle means like this. Right angle means one of angle is 90 degree. If any triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, clear? A, B, C, P, Q, R. It is a 90 degree. Clear? Two right angle triangles. Two right angle triangles. Two right angle triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. Means two right angle triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle. Clear? Means it is a 90 degree, it is a hypotenuse. Clear? One side means you can take this and both. You can take any one side. Suppose that we have taken this. It is a base. Means we can write here in RHS. So, BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR. So, angle B equal to angle Q. So, it is a 90 degree. So, therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. Clear? It is a right angle triangle hypotenuse. Only 4 congruency criteria is required in this chapter. Clear? Please read this criteria very carefully. If you will read very carefully, you can do exercise very easily. So please, you read very carefully. Note down this.